Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure, you see. And after several nights, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. Well, something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. Then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
Now we're walking with the giants, feeling 10 feet tall. Yeah, we're walking on the fire. We can't feel it at all. No, no, no. It really doesn't matter once you get it right. Everything is better with a little love in your life. Now we're walking with the giants. There's no way you can deny it. Just look at us as we go, go, go. It really doesn't matter once you get it right. Everything is better with a little love in your life. Now we're larger than life, you and me. We're larger than life, can't you see? We're larger than life, you and me. We're reaching the sky. Yeah, we're walking with the everything is better with a little love in your life. Now we're larger than life, you and me. We're larger than life, can't you see? We're larger than life, you and me. We're reaching the sky. Yeah, we're walking with the...
Co to tam jest?
A był oszczony, czy jest dopiero...
Nie, teraz będzie.
Funkielnówka.
Jeszcze go nie widziałem po malowaniu.
To farba jeszcze będzie śmierdzieć.
Wszystko.
Jak to spakował.
Ale emocje. Ja pierdzielę.
Emocje jak na grzyba.
Mega. Ej brat, zobacz grilla.
Lecimy. Zobacz, z jaką dokładnością można ustawić.
Tak, weź no trochę wyżej. Ile? Pół centa.
Ja myślę, że masowa produkcja powinna ruszyć.
Widzicie, szacun. Jeszcze kurde na rancie.
Dobrze, że...
I'm the lyrical gangster. Excuse me, Mr. Officer. Still love you like that.
Your dreams were nobody else. Give your tears to the tide.
preacher's son, and when his daddy would visit, he'd come along. When they gathered around and started talking, Cousin Billy would take me walking. Out through the backyard we go walking. Then he looked into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Yes, he was. Being good isn't always easy, no matter how hard I try. When he started sweet talking to me, he'd come and tell me everything is alright. He'd kiss and tell me everything is alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Lord knows he was. Yes, he was. How well I remember the look was in his eyes, stealing kisses from me on the slide, taking time to make time, telling me that he's all mine, learning from each other's knowing, looking to see how much we've grown, and the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher.
know if I say something, I mean it. These things happen. Yeah.
If I ever said I'm never scared, just know I mean it. If I ever said I fuck your bitch, just know I mean it. And if I ever said I'm getting money, just know I mean it. And oh Lord knows, He knows I mean it. Yeah, you know I mean it. You know I mean it. Just know I mean it. Just know I mean it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
If I say that shit, then I mean it. She calls me, I screen it. I'm only fucking if it's convenient. You lie on pussy, that's weak shit. We pass pussy round, that's G shit. But you ain't fam, so what is this we shit? You cuff yours and then leash shit. Listen, I'm telling you, it's my world. I does what I wish to. If you're mad, well, too bad. Sounds like a personal issue. I walk in, they all stare like, who the fuck is this dude? Kicks game is just rude. Don't get jujitsu'd. Tunnel visions, I get ahead. Stay solid, I never fled. My haters feel like I'm better dead, but I'm quite alive, getting bread instead. With a better girl, with a better face, I'm in a better place, getting better head. I just wanna stay broke forever. Yeah, that's that shit no one ever said.
Never scared. Just know I mean